Tell me a little bit about the financial impact this either has had on you, potentially will have on you, and how hard that has been.
Well, if we lose the government and the ACLU, the attorney fees will be over $1 million for the ACLU, and it will take everything we own, everything we've saved for, our retirement, our home and our business, because they're also suing us personally and corporately. So we'll possibly lose everything we own.
I know there was and maybe I can get your opinion on this in a moment, but I know there was a chance for a settlement, or at least that they called it a settlement of some sort, where you could pay a certain amount, a fine, and then kind of move on, but you held fast. Tell me a little bit about what that process was like when the judge kind of talked about that.
It was the Attorney General that first had a fine of $2,000, and that I continued to do gay weddings, an apology, and we said no to that, and then he dropped it after the settlement came. The judge said that we were guilty and that we had we could be religious, but we could have our faith, but we couldn't practice our faith. And then they dropped it to $1,000 and $1 for legal fees. But that's the small part. The larger part is the ACLU attorney's fees, which will mount up again to over $1 million. But it's not about the money. It's about the freedom and our stand for Christ. I mean, Christ died for us, and yet I'm not willing to give up anything to stand for him. Seems a little sad.